नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आ जाए. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with love, and this is Monica here, and I'm not singing, don't worry, I can't sing much. I just thought of giving it a little different intro to my video than usual, so I thought of doing it with a song. And I'm feeling blue today. You sometimes you feel some colors. You feel black someday, you feel blue, you feel wearing all white some days. I don't know, this happens to me, I guess. I don't know. Today on my video we'll be talking about uh, a very reputed brand, called Lineage. It's basically a Korean brand, and when it comes to skincare, you guys must be knowing, like, Korea and the Korean made products are on the top notch. They have their place holding up right on the top because the formulation and how effective they are on all the skin types, be it a oily skin, be it a normal skin, or be it a combination skin or a dry skin. So they have that formula which works wonders for all the skins, and I guess that's the reason why Korean products have their position right there on the top. So today we are reviewing their Korean beauty brand called Lineage, and we're talking about their water sleeping mask. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a blue color, and that's why I was feeling blue today. So I thought of reviewing this product, this sleeping mask. I haven't used a sleeping mask or Lineage before, so I just got my hands 15 days back on Nykaa. I was just searching around some product, which gives you that rested skin uh, feeling, even if you have not rested. If you have not rested for 8 hours, hydration is your goal, then this product is for you, because it gives you a really hydrated skin when you have this on for 8 to 9 hours in the night, and when you wake up the next morning, you don't have to wash it off, just put it on for 8 to 9 hours, and when you wake up the next day, it gives you a really super soft skin. And I'll show you, this is the bottle, this is how the bottle looks. It's a really clear blue color bottle. Really, I like the bottle. It's a plastic bottle, and the formulation is so good. I'll show you. The formulation is really good. It is just like a clear water gel. It has, if you can see, the formulation is so good. It's a lovely water gel. It has a cool effect to it. When you apply it on your face, it adds a texture of cool gel technology. Also, this is formulated with highly concentrated hydro ionized mineral water that does the work. Also, when you apply it, there is a smell to it, but really mild, and something like dreamy lavender sort of, and very light. It's not overpowering at all. So it is infused with orange flower, rose, and sandalwood. The smell is really nice, and I personally don't like the skincare products or the face products which have really which are high really on the smell. I really don't like them, but trust me, this smell is really nice and really mild. I suppose this will work for you as well if you don't like the sense in the beauty care or the skin care product. Also uses a sleep tox technology, which is basically it claims when you're sleeping, it purifies your skin and gives you that well rested look. The brand, the pricing, so I got this 25 ml, the mini Lineage water sleeping mask, because I before buying it on the fuller size, I just wanted to try this, so I got it on a 25 ml for 700. It has a bigger bottle of 70 ml, which will cost you around 1850. So yeah, so I guess this is worth the price again. On how to apply this water sleeping mask before bed, basically if you follow any routine, any night care routine, so as you apply a toner or a moisturizer or whatever you apply, a serum basically, so this will be the last thing, this, because this is a mask, this will be a last thing you apply on your face, and keep it for 6 to 8 hours. That's it. And if you have a dry skin, you can use a little more amount to cover, generously your face and neck. So make sure you apply on your neck as well, because that's important. That's it for the video, guys, and I'm done talking about the Laneige water sleeping mask. I guess I'll surely rebuy this, because this is doing this is doing the job. This is keeping the moisture in place, also giving you a well rested look, which I asked for. So I'll surely rebuy this. Also, that's it. And if you liked my video, please click on the like button. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe. Also, if you have 2 minutes extra, please click on the comment section and comment on how you like the video or the products, if you've used it before. So yeah, till then, please take care.